Okay, now I understand first off the bat this might be very unsettling for some people, so I do get it. It took me a little minute to make this list, so I'm going to give you guys count them, three people off this list you guys see here to bring back, whether it's in their prime, how they're pictured here, even younger. Again, I understand bringing people back like, Val Kilmer with his throat thing might be a little bit weird because, again, acting and stuff like that. So initially, my first three to bring back was Val Kilmer, Bruce Lee, and Chadwick Boseman, 100%. But then I thought to myself, if I had to bring back another three people, if I had another choice, I would bring back Paul Walker, Robin Williams, and Sean Connery in their respective prime here, I would say. Yeah, essentially, I'm going to give you guys three. You can tell me your second list of three people, but I want to know the first three people off the bat. And yeah, essentially, I'll hear from you guys in the comments. Catch you guys later. Peace.